Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review AISEO Art. It's a tool that will help you to generate your text to image. That means you can turn your imagination into amazing art by using this AISEO Art tool. And they're saying that it's an alternative of Canva and Getty Images, but I'm not thinking that it's an alternative of Canva and Getty Images because it's an AI image generator tool. So it can be an alternative of Super Machine or Stable Diffusion AI or Midjourney, I think. Now, if you see the lifetime deal pricing of AISU art, the single code pricing is 59 USD, and here you will get 800 credits per month and image reversal feature, access to community images, watermark free images, and desktop and mobile responsive version. So these are the things. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of AISEO Art and let's explore how good and user friendly it is to generate images from text. And see, this is the dashboard of AISEO Art, guys. Here, if you describe the image and then if you click on this generate button, then the image will be generated. Also, they have different categories: see photography category, portrait category, concept art category, architecture category, fashion category, 3D, video games, graphic design, wallpaper, and cinematic. Now let's say I'll select here photography, and here I'll describe the imagination. Let's say this is my prompt, and this prompt writing or prompt description is another level of skill, I think, guys. And currently I do not have this type of skill, that's why I have used lexica.art here. Lexica.art is a tool that will help you to generate amazing prompt, and that will help you to generate your idea into text. Let's say you want tiger image, just search a tiger, and here you will get different tiger images that has been generated previously by using AI. You can just click on any image, and then you can use this prompt or you can improve this prompt. So these are the things. In this way I have gotten this prompt here. See, this is one prompt, and now if I click on generate, then the image will be generated. Just wait some time, guys. See, this is the image. I hope you get idea, guys. Here this is the image, and here also you can select different image size. Currently 3 image sizes available, as you can see. And also they have advanced setting, and here you can create different folder basically for your images. So these are the things. And see, this is the image that it has been generated. Now you can download it from here, you can enhance it from here. Let's say I'll download it, so just click here download, then it will be downloaded. See, let me open it. See, here is the image. I hope you get idea, guys. And if you enhance it, then let's see what happens. See, here you have to click on enhance, then these properties will increase. See, now it is 512 by 512, but after enhancing it will be more. See, here is the upscaled image, which is 248 by 248. So these are the things. Now you can download the HD image from here. Just download it, and then it will be downloaded. Just let me open it, guys. See, here is the upscaled image. These are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, how it will work. And now we have generated photography type image, right? So let's say I'll select concept art, and then I'll enter the same prompt, and then now if I generate it, let's see what will happen. See, here is the image, and this is basically concept art category. So these are the things, and in this way you have to enhance and download it from here if you like it. These are the things. I hope you get idea, and you will get all your generated images here in this generated section. See, I hope you get idea, and the community images are here. So these are the things. You can download the community images also from here. You can enhance, you can try this prompt from here. These are the things. Now we will explore how the credit will work here. See, if I go to my dashboard from here, let me go to my dashboard. Here now I have 140 images. So let me here generate one new image, guys. Let me delete all these things. Let me delete all these things, and then I'll enter prompt again, and then let's say I'll change the image size. I'll change the category like architecture, or let's say portrait, and then I will generate. Let's see what happened. See, it has been generated, and I have generated only one images here. Now see, I have 138 credit, so 2 credit has been gone to generate this image. That means it's not true that you will be costed only 1 credit for one image. See, I have generated only one images here, and it costed me 2 credit. And I have generated here this horizontal image size image. And then if I, let's say, download it, I want to download it. If I download it, so I have downloaded it. Now if I see and if I refresh it, so I have 138 credit. So um, I do not have costed any credit here. If I enhance it, let me enhance it. Let me enhance it, guys. So it's enhancing, guys, as you can see. Just wait some time. So it's taking a lot of time to enhance, guys. Let me reload it one time. And they're saying looks like you did not select any image. So let me use one another prompt again. Let me generate it. So here is the image, and now I have 137 credits. See, to generate this square image I have costed 1 credit, but previously to generate this horizontal image I have costed 2 credit. These are the things. Now I will enhance it, and then I will see how much credit I will be needed. So it has been enhanced, guys. See, here is the upscaled images. Now if I see the credit, it's 136. Previously it was 137. So to enhance the image, you will also be needed credit. These are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this AI SEO art tool. There have another amazing feature, guys, image reversal. Here you can upload your image, and then you can get your type of image. Let's say I'll upload here one image. Let's say this one is my image, guys. I'll select the image, and then I'll just upload it. It will be uploaded. See, it has been uploading. Now it will search the image like that. See, it's saying that it's searching, but it's taking a lot of time. There have another option, guys. You can put the image URL also here. If I go to Pixabay, and from here if I get one image URL, let's say I'll get this image URL. Let me just take this URL, guys, and then here if I enter this URL, let me enter this URL. So I have entered this URL. Now let me search it, and then let's see what will happen. See, it's not searching the image, guys. So I think this image reversal feature is not working fine yet in case of AISU art, but the feature is amazing. I hope the developer team of this tool will improve this tool. See, I have added here the image URL, but it's not searching the image. So these are the things, guys. In this way you can use this tool to convert your imagination into art. And as you can see here, you will get 800 credit monthly if you get the lifetime deal of AISU art. But that doesn't mean that you will be able to generate 800 images, because if you use their different setting, it will cost you different type of credit. And I have seen that to generate one image, it has costed me 2 credit. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, but the tool is good, I think. See, it has gotten 24 reviews on AppSumo, and the reviews are almost 4.5 star. So these are the things. If you think as you need this type of tool by which you can generate text to image, then you can get this AISEO art lifetime deal from AppSumo, and they have the 60 days refund policy, so you can use it without any hesitation, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on AI SEO art lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think is this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.